Welcome in my channel. Today we are going to journalism and its types. Kindly like and subscribe my channel. Journalism is the practice of gathering, verifying, and disseminating information about current events, issues, and people. It serves as a vital pillar of a healthy democracy by keeping the public informed and holding powerful institutions accountable. Journalists use a variety of methods to gather information, including interviews, research, observation, and attending public events. They then present their findings in a clear, concise, and objective manner, typically through newspapers, magazines, websites, television, radio, or social media. Journalism is the practice of gathering, assessing, creating, and presenting news and information to audiences. Its primary aim is to inform the public about events, issues, and developments, often with an emphasis on accuracy, fairness, and objectivity. Journalists typically work in various media formats, including print, broadcast, online, and multimedia platforms. Types of journalism: news reporting. This involves gathering information about recent events and presenting it in a factual and objective manner. News reporters often cover a wide range of topics, including politics, crime, business, sports, and entertainment. This is the most common type of journalism, focusing on reporting current events in a timely and objective manner. News journalists typically cover a wide range of topics, from politics and crime to business and entertainment. Investigative journalism. This type of journalism involves in-depth reporting on complex issues, often uncovering wrongdoing or exposing hidden truths. Investigative journalists often spend months or even years researching a story, using a variety of sources and techniques to gather evidence. Investigative journalists delve deep into specific issues or topics to uncover wrongdoing, corruption, or hidden truths. This type of journalism often involves extensive research, interviews, and analysis to expose stories that may otherwise remain hidden. Investigative journalism is finding, reporting, and presenting news which other people try to hide. Investigative journalists need all the skills of general reporting, but especially an alert mind to recognize story ideas and important facts which people are trying to hide, an ordered mind to make notes, file information and fit lots of facts together, patience to keep digging for information, good contacts throughout society, courage to withstand threats from people you are investigating. Feature writing. Feature articles offer in-depth coverage of a particular topic, often providing background information, analysis, and human interest angles. Feature writers may explore trends, profiles of individuals or organizations, or long-form narratives. This type of journalism focuses on telling stories about people, places, and events in a more creative and in-depth way than news reports. Feature stories are often longer and more detailed than news articles, and they may use a variety of narrative techniques to engage the reader. Feature writing is a literary and critically recognized form of writing in journalism. It involves writing featured articles on trending topics, great personalities, and relevant issues. This form of writing is generally longer than a specific news story and more informative. Feature writings are used extensively in magazines, newspapers, and online media. It covers a story in great depth and is intended to captivate the audience's attention to a specific cause by looking at the story from a different angle. Opinion journalism. Opinion-based journalism has deep roots in U.S. journalism. Early U.S. newspapers regularly featured opinionated political coverage that reflected the ideals and perspectives of the paper's owners or the parties who subsidized their production. The resulting newspaper coverage was frequently partisan and subjective in a way that would seem foreign even today. This type of journalism allows journalists to express their personal opinions on news events and issues. Opinion pieces are typically labeled as such, and they are clearly distinguished from news reports. The most common ones are editorials, op-eds, and columns. Another type of journalism that is sometimes associated with opinion journalism is the news analysis. Today, the two cohabitate, sometimes uncomfortably, across organizations and the industry at large. At more traditional journalistic outlets, they are sometimes physically separated, with clearly labeled news and editorial or opinion sections. Some outlets, especially newer, digitally native ones, pool opinion and objective reporting together into a single stream. Print journalism. This type of journalism refers to the traditional media of newspapers and magazines. While print journalism has faced challenges in recent years due to the rise of digital media, it remains an important source of news and information for many people. Broadcast journalism. This type of journalism refers to television and radio news. Broadcast journalists report on current events, conduct interviews, and provide commentary on the news. Online journalism. This type of journalism encompasses all forms of journalism that is delivered online. This includes news websites, blogs, social media, and other digital platforms. Online journalism has become increasingly popular in recent years, as it allows for more immediate and interactive forms of storytelling. Editorial journalism. Editorial content represents the official stance or opinion of a news organization. Editorials are typically written by the editorial board or senior editors and offer commentary or analysis on important issues or events. Photojournalism. Photojournalists use visual storytelling techniques to capture and convey news stories through photographs. They often work alongside reporters to document events, people, and places, providing a powerful visual element to news coverage. Data journalism. Data journalists analyze and interpret large data sets to uncover trends, patterns, and insights that inform news stories. This type of journalism often involves visualizing data through charts, graphs, and interactive tools to enhance understanding. Citizen journalism. Citizen journalists are ordinary individuals who contribute news content, photos, videos, or first-hand accounts of events through social media, blogs, or other online platforms. While not trained journalists, they can play a significant role in grassroots reporting and expanding the scope of news coverage. Advocacy reporting is a form of reporting that distinguishes itself by formulating a clear opinion or substantiating an existing one with timely, factual information. The variety and the depth of news has, of late, increased manifold. In fact, newspapers, magazines, and periodicals have become the main source of information for the people. Reporting jobs are often oriented around either beat reporting or general assignment reporting. Common beats include business, courts and crime, education, film, food, health, international affairs, music, politics, science, sports, style, and technology. This fact underscores the need for accuracy in news reporting. Giving inaccurate news or putting out news in a casual manner is fraught with grave dangers. A journalist who is careless in news reporting or indulges in lies is a disgrace to the profession. It is better to ease him out from this profession. These are just a few examples, and there are many other specialized forms and niches within journalism, reflecting the diverse ways in which news and information are produced and disseminated. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.